How do you think you'll feel, not physically, but mentally and emotionally, when you get off of your med all the way?
Oh, just the relief. The relief of not needing it anymore, not having to buy it anymore, and just telling the doctors, no, you don't need it. And I don't care that, one doctor says you should be on it a couple of months and off a couple of months. And another doctor goes, no, you could be on it for years. Don't worry. But when you look it up and you read what it does to you, it's like, how can you in good conscience tell anybody to put this in their body? Okay. And basically the doc's like, and I'm like, well, okay, so how long do we do this? And he's like, well, you're going to have to stay on it. There'll never be a time when you're off of it. And I remember sitting there and especially walking out of his office, I sat there in my truck and I thought, I have to take a pill forever. And okay, 20 years ago, I was in my 30s and I'm like, this is, I cried.